Kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Dreamboy66. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo update sa mga video na na-upload ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support. Buhay pa lahat. God bless.
A few moments later.
Naghahandaan na ito ni Junior yung laban sa loob ng airport. Mawamak na siya. Yun. Makikain na lang kami. Sana manalo. Kaya pinaghahandaan ni Junior. Yan yung pambato namin. Open yun. Yung tournament na yun, open para sa lahat ng nagtatrabaho sa loob ng airport. Nakaris na si Junior. Sabi ko, dito na lang kami. Ayaw tumabit siya. morning, Alcard. Ah, Cherry Boy. Shout out. Oh, may mga tulog-tulog pa, oh. So, pang ano. Gising.
Galaw tayo.
Yo, yung sinasabi. The best. Hirap pag napapaya.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Shout out to, shout out sa lahat ng fighters dyan. Alcard. Shout out ulit sa mga kumpalang umaga. Doon. Mga bago
Yeah, I'm
lang
about to
sa
fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into your place. You wanna love me, well baby I will taste all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na, ayun na.
Never said you felt that way.
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Sige, sige.
Stay strong and fake a smile.
Picture tayo, video.
Look away.
Sige.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Ah.
As you fade away.
YouTube, YouTube.
Welcome
Ayun.
to Saudi Arabia.
Yes, I love Saudi Arabia.
Welcome to Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Welcome to Khair.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Your account and
Yeah, Mr. Dream Boy.
where?
Mr. Dream Boy.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Can you write?
English.
Yes, this English.
Yeah.
This F.
Where is Mr. Dream Boy?
This F. Not.
R, Mr.
I know you
Oh,
Yeah, because there is a tournament, maybe next month. Like, this open for all in airbase. So they make, because this from Wood na Philippines is a runner also.
Yes, yes, yes. Marathon.
Yeah, marathon. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Where in?
Inside.
Inside.
Yeah, Prince Sultan.
I have go.
Why? You
I want to go.
still study?
Yes, I study in the college.
Better you make a military.
No,
Better
I study-
military because you know if you make military, you have a good opportunity. Go some.
I study next.
Yeah, nursing military.
Yes, I know. I know.
Oh.
Yes. Wait,
What's your name?
my name is Yasser.
Yasser?
Yes.
Yasser what?
Al-Anasi.
Al-Hanesi.
Yes.
Oh, Al-Hanesi. Haraj. Hotel. Al-Hanesi. T. Al-Hanesi inside.
Yes,
Okay.
I know. I know. I know.
Yeah. Blue eyes. English. They speak English very well.
No, yes.
Yeah.
I speak English.
Al-Hanesi, ha?
I study.
I'm Chris. Chris Junior and Jerry.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I study
Nice meeting
in
you.
UK.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. After you can go everywhere.
Not years. I study just 3 months.
3 months. But you speak very well English. After you go somewhere, oh, too much. Ayun.
You will not be lost. What? Pero
When you go somewhere, you're not lost.
yes,
Where-
yes,
where
yes,
your
yes,
house?
yes.
Where your house?
My house.
Only here?
Yes, yes.
There.
It's
Okay.
near and here. Nice to meet you, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Shout out. We're working all everything. Then we're living there sa Batas.
Ano sa kata?
Yeah. Asia? Yes.
Every day.
Yes. Morning. Yeah. Nice meeting you, ha? Take care, ha? Take care.
Sarap magbike, tanggal ang iyong problema. Sarap magbike, tiyak mamamangha ka. At magugulat sa makikita ng mata. At kung saan ka dadalhin ang iyong paa. Masarap sa una, lalo't pag tumatagal. Di mararamdaman ang pagod kahit hingal. Magagandang mga tanawin ang naghihintay sa atin. Huwag ka nang mabagal-bagal pa. Sarap magbike, tanggal ang iyong problema. Sarap magbike, tiyak mamamangha ka at magugulat sa makikita ng mata. At kung saan ka dadalhin ang iyong paa. At magugulat sa makikita ng mata. At kung saan ka dadalhin ang iyong paa. Sarap magbike, tanggal ang iyong problema. Sarap magbike, ubos din ang iyong pera. Sarap magbike, tanggal ang iyong problema. Sarap magbike, tiyak mamamangha ka. Sarap magbike, tanggal ang iyong problema. Ang sarap magbike, tiyak mamamangha ka. Ang sarap, 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 sarap magbike. Sarap, 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 sarap magbike.
A few inches later.
salamat po ulit sa pagkamay mo sa aming pagtakbo ninyo. Kasama namin si Jerry. Sa alam, Joel, Galon Stevie, si Tristan Laspag, shout out. Meron kami na-meet na guys sa Saudi. Nagbigay sa amin ng tubig. Pangalan niya si Ibrahim Al-Manasi. Shoutout sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa water. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Tim Boys Business. Like and share and subscribe. Ayan. Ito kami ngayon at tapos na namin umabot. Kaya na, maglalaba pa. Ayan na ni Joe, ni Jerry. Nangingin ko ito, mga 55 lang. Customer tag-5 eh. Natin na yung 5. Hindi pa nga malayot na ako namin eh, para hindi siya mabigla eh. Oh, outro na tayo. Shoutout. Maraming salamat.
Shout out sa mga taga Just Jan sa Riyadh.
Ayun.